This video is for section 9.4. We are going to solve quadratic equations by factoring. This is the third method we've been taught in order to solve a quadratic equation for when y equals 0. The first was graphing. We find the zeros by graphing, or we use the square root in order to find the zeros. So this third method is factoring. We learned how to factor in chapter 8. Here's an example. 4m squared minus 27m minus 40. We set it equal to 0. We always have to start factoring with it in standard form. So be sure we have everything on the left side equal to 0 before we start to factor. We see that a does not equal 1 here, so we're going to have to split the middle. I multiplied a times c, 4 times 40. I got 160. I factored 160 into 1 and 160, 2 and 80, 4 and 40, and 5 and 32. And I realized that I need to get the difference of these two factors to be negative 27. So I'm going to choose negative 32 and positive 5. That will give me a negative 27. So I split the middle. The first term, 4m squared, stays the same. I split negative 27m into negative 32m and positive 5m. The negative 40 stays the same. It's still set equal to 0. Now I group and factor. So 4m squared minus 32m. Greatest common factor is 4m, and m minus 8 is left. Then I factor 5m minus 40. Greatest common factor is 5, and m minus 8 is left. So I finish my factoring by rewriting the repeating binomial, m minus 8. Then write the factors that are left, 4m plus 5. And those are my two binomial factors from this original quadratic. Now I set each factor equal to 0. m minus 8 equal to 0 and 4m plus 5 equal to 0. I solve for m. On the left side, I add 8 to both sides and I get m equals 8. On the right side, I subtract 5 from both sides. Then I divide both sides by 4. Simple solving. Isolate the variable, get a coefficient of 1, and m equals negative 5/4. So again, this is our third method of solving. We are now solving by factoring.